Now children, today let's start with chapter number 9, that is sending and receiving messages. So in this chapter, we will study about communication, right? So let's warm up first. You have to give the name of these means of communication. First is communication. The basic building blocks of all human interaction and relationship is communication, whether it is verbal or non-verbal. वो verbal भी हो सकता है, non-verbal भी हो सकता है. If you are not communicating properly or effectively, you may feel that people do not understand you. आपको खुद ही लगता है ना कि हाँ लोग हमें नहीं समझ रहे. So this can affect your relationship, both personal as well as at the workplace. Now personal means of communication. For a long time, people send message through a messenger or a horse rider. Pigeons were also used to send letters, and faster means of transport and communication were developed. So things today have changed altogether. How do you send letters? A letter to be posted or one that is received, it is a postal step. So the amount paid for the postal step is actually the fee taken to transport a letter. Right? So, but few days, long period of time, it was to send urgent message, hence neither a telegram was used. पहले क्या था, telegram का use करा जाता था, and the message is little faster, took less day for telegraph to reach the destination anywhere in the world. This was made possible through telegraph lines, and telegraph lines connect almost every continent. with हर एक continent को connect करता. A little later, man made another breakthrough world of communication, that is telephone. ठीक है, अब हम देखा है आपने किसी से भी कहीं भी क्या कर सकते हैं, टू वे कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते, राइट. इट इज मेंट दैट मैसेज कुड बी सेंड एट रिसीव. उसे टाइम आप भेज भी सकते हो, रिसीव भी कर सकते हो. इनफैक्ट अ पर्सन कुड टॉक टू एनीवन फार और नियर, बी इट विद इन द कंट्री or outside. Today, it's very easy to talk to anyone within the country with the facility called STD, and taking from anyone outside the country, that is ISD, International Subscribed Dialing. If you don't have a phone, then you can use a telephone booth or PCO, right? Which is usually offer STD or ICD facility. Telephone. Till recently was an immobile object. This meant person could not carry it where we were. So today, there are mobile phones. They are also called cellular phones, which can be carried anywhere. Okay, a cellular phone is two-way medium of communication. Let us now look at few more modern communication devices. The pager is one of them, which is one-way means of communication. The pager gives written message to a person who has a pager, and it is a device made for the purpose. And there it is a fax line or fax machine. Fax machine transfer and receive written document almost intensely through telephone line. Then we have mass communication, when we have to communicate with a vast number of people, right? Book published in a country are sold throughout the world. They are also easily translated to cover wider network of people. Newspaper or magazine, they also serve the same purpose. But real revolution in the field of mass communication came with the invention of radio. Message could travel around the world is in virtually no time. Because of the radio, world seemed a small place as a message traveled quickly and person could easily know what was happening thousands of kilometers. Apart from message news, one could listen to songs, music and drama. Take a running commentary of sports and games should be received, and these events very popular. School lessons were also broadcasted, right? A person could also listen to the radio while at work. They came cinema, a popular means of communication. Cinema entertains number of people. We can divide cinema into two categories, on which entertains people and other which spread a message of knowledge. Films which spread a message or educate people is called documentary. Countries today extend both kind of cinema. This makes people understand the culture and the likes of people. आप यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हो, लोगों के कल्चर को समझ सकते हो, how they live उसको समझ सकते हो. Cinema also reduced immensely the gap between people and the world seemed like family, the other kind of cinema or for entertainment जिसे feature film कहते हैं. Then came the television. ये सबसे important event है century का, and cinema brought into our homes. It also gave immense entertainment. One could see films, documentary, plays, drama, sports events. Events of national importance could be witnessed throughout the country. Right? So we have man-made satellite. Television जो programs हैं from any part of the world can be seen because of the television. It is a man-made satellite. Now satellite communication. People in and from different countries can talk and ask questions from each other, and each question can be immediately answered. इसको हम स्प्रेच बिजनेस कहते हैं, and they are also called because they act as a bridge between people of the world. Our world is becoming smaller each passing day because of the advancement in the field of communication. ये जो satellite है space में, ये क्या carry करती है? Very powerful and advanced camera which take photographs of the earth. This helps us to understand and predict the climates of the various spaces of the earth. Satellite जो आज से टाइम पे आप देख रहे हो, आप सेंड भी कर रहे हो हंड्रेड्स ऑफ मैसेजेस थ्रू टेलीफोन कॉल्स और फ्रॉम वन कॉन्टिनेंट टू अदर, वो किसके थ्रू कर रहे हो? थ्रू सैटेलाइट. नाउ एडवर्टीजमेंट, it is also an important feature of mass communication. Film advertise to or tell people about their products. We find advertisement in the newspaper and magazine, and this helps the firm to earn money. But these advertisement reach only the literate people. Radio advertisement cover much wider area, right? Advertisement which we see on television even powerful. Influence करता है लोगों को at large extent, right? We are customers find it difficult to decide what is suitable. ठीक है, क्योंकि कस्टमर्स के लिए बहुत बार बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है कि उनको क्या चाहिए, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? प्रोडक्ट का एडवर्टाइजमेंट करते हैं. सो द मॉडर्न मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन ऑल्सो वेरी यूजफुल एट द टाइम ऑफ इमरजेंसी. मिलियंस ऑफ इनवैल्यूएबल लाइव्स आर सेव्ड ड्यू टू टाइमली वार्निंग. जैसे फ्लड का, स्टॉर्म्स हो गए, कैलमिटीज हो गई, कोई भी. वी मस्ट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर men is using these for wars and destruction. So, do you think this should happen? Now here you have to find out the word news stand for, north, east, west, south, right? Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.